If you own a rental property in Queen Creek, Arizona, have you ever felt like you're completely in the dark about what's happening with your own investment? No updates, slow responses, and sometimes no communication at all. Many landlords and real estate investors tell me the same thing. They rarely hear from their property manager. Updates are inconsistent, and they're left guessing about how their property is actually performing. In this video, I'm going to explain how structured property management in Queen Creek, Arizona creates clear communication, consistent updates, and real visibility into your rental property performance. Ever feel like you're in the dark about your own rental property? Poor communication creates stress and uncertainty for landlords. When updates are inconsistent or unclear, owners start wondering, what's happening with the property? Are tenants satisfied? Are issues being addressed quickly? That uncertainty makes it difficult to feel confident about your investment. When communication breaks down, several problems begin to appear. Lack of updates leads to surprises, unanswered questions, and mismanaged expectations. For landlords in Queen Creek, Arizona, poor communication doesn't just create frustration, it can also affect how well the property performs over time. Professional property management communication should create clarity. That means consistent updates, clear processes, and real visibility into property performance. Owners should always understand what's happening with their investment. Now here's something many landlords don't realize. Most communication problems with rental properties aren't caused by the tenant. They're caused by the lack of a clear system for updates and documentation. When communication systems are structured correctly, everything becomes easier to track and understand. At Reserve Key Realty, communication is structured and consistent. You receive timely updates. We respond quickly to questions. And most importantly, there's no radio silence. Our goal is simple. Keep you informed so you can make more confident decisions about your investment. We use several systems to maintain transparency for property owners. That includes an online owner portal where you can access documents and track activity, email and phone communication when questions arise, and centralized messaging logs so every conversation is documented. These systems ensure you always have visibility into your property. Clear communication builds trust. Trust leads to better decisions, and better decisions help your real estate investment grow over time. When communication systems are structured correctly, something important happens. You no longer have to guess what's happening with your property. Instead, you gain transparency, responsiveness, and peace of mind. That's what professional property management in Queen Creek, Arizona should deliver. If you own a rental property in Gilbert, Chandler, Mesa, Queen Creek, Santan Valley, or Ahwatukee, and want a clear picture of how communication around your property should work, there's a link in the description where you can schedule a confidential property management consultation. During that conversation, we can review your property, your goals, and the communication systems that help keep owners informed. No pressure, no obligation, just a professional discussion focused on protecting your investment and improving performance. If you missed our Mesa episode about reducing rental vacancy and improving occupancy, I recommend watching that next. And in our next episode, we'll discuss how landlords in Santan Valley, Arizona can manage multiple rental properties without stress.